That looks so sick, bro.
Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. So, today we're filling up the truck with dry ice. Yeah, dry ice. It's insanely cold. We're gonna put some in the back of our truck. So let's do it. Hot!
Like a hot
Hot! Still hot.
Hot tub hot.
Alright, so to make dry ice steam, you need hot water. So we've got some hot water.
You're not really farting, that's the hose.
Yeah, how much of that?
Hey, I like that tank top you're wearing.
Thanks.
It's warm? A little warm? It's like a jacuzzi.
Is it little warm?
How's the water feel?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, can you hand me my cold water?
Are you comfortable with the temperature? He says yes.
Yeah, great. Yeah. Catch it.
Where'd you That was Wait, why are you doing it?
Yeah. Pour it all over yourself.
No.
No.
Usually I'd be done, but yeah. Kind of knew that was gonna happen. It's warm.
Right in the sun.
I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems. And they're all bad. It's sad. Hey, it's cold water!
You want it warmer?
No, look, feel it.
But do you want that warmer?
Yes, but...
Okay. You think we should add the dry ice now?
It's about to go down. Remember that? Oh, go save him.
What?
He's in the water and I'm gonna go save him. Who's in the water?
Alright, so this stuff isn't wrapped, right?
No.
Oh, yes it is.
Oh. You did not know that. Ooh.
Oh, it's steaming.
Oh.
Is that how cold it is?
Oh.
Yo, get this away!
Yo!
Yo!
That looks so sick, bro. Bro, vape tricks all day.
You won't touch
Vape
it.
Lord Norm.
You won't touch it.
Got a tornado trick.
Watch out.
You guys have to stay in the middle.
You gotta stay in the middle, Rocco. Thanks.
Watch out.
You guys gotta stay in the middle. It's all going in the corners.
So that was when we step in water, you know? Hey, it's cold, bro.
What do you think?
What do you think? Oh no.
Oh no!
We're trapped.
We're trapped!
I'm gonna touch it.
Touch it.
Huh.
Does it hurt?
Nah. It's like bubbling.
Oh.
It feels so weird.
It's like squirting out stuff. Bro, it gets cold after like 2 seconds though.
Really?
There you go. We're trying to get it somewhere. Alright, you're good.
Yo, wait, don't move, don't move, don't move. Yo!
This is so
Ready, yo, we're
cool.
boys, bro. Do a tornado. Oh!
I can't even see them right now.
It's not. Yo!
Wait, tell me how sick this looks. Ready?
Is that your new album cover right there? Oh yeah.
Oh, bro, now it's cold. Yo,
Yo!
this is actually sick.
Alright, so this is like the hot tub I'm gonna get when I get older. The dry ice hot tub.
Alright, I'm gonna pick up a piece.
See how much of the ice you want.
Not that much.
Oh.
Nothing at all.
We're gonna be here for a while.
Look at the frost in the gloves.
You all wanna try picking it up? Can you feel it through the gloves at all?
You won't break the half.
Yo, you hear it? Listen.
Oh.
Look at the gloves. They get like mutilated.
Hold on, try to hold up. Like,
Oh wait, it's actually like the gloves are sticking to my skin through the gloves. Or the, does that make any sense? The gloves are sticking to my skin because it's so. Look at that. Glove, I don't know. Right here. when there's no wind. Yo, look at this. Oh my God.
Oh,
Ready?
that's pretty cool.
You look like Jesus just coming up.
Yeah, I'm Jesus coming out. That's so weird. Yo, the dry ice feels so weird.
Really?
Yeah, I feel it. It's like all like weird texture.
Whoa.
Is yours weird? It's like all like
Bumpy?
yeah.
Yeah, it's so bumpy. Just feel it. Feel
Can't
it.
hold it for too long though.
Yeah. I mean, I
weird.
was holding it for a while. Look at it now. Oh!
I don't want to take. You took it out of the water?
Yeah.
No way.
Got it water. I mean, I'm taking it underwater.
I'm taking it out, like kind of. Ready? Oh, there it is. Whoa! Ow!
But when you like rub it, it doesn't hurt.
No, it doesn't.
Under the water,
it
doesn't.
does.
It's like evaporating into warm stuff. Science.
Science, kids.
Oh, here's your science lesson for the day, Rocco.
Ah!
See how small it is.
That's it?
What?
Do that little thing you just did. He's a model, look at him. Yo, it actually looks like Calvin shoe right now.
There you are.
This is my shoe.
Rocco, give me your model look.
Yeah. You see that tornado? Yeah, look, ready? Oh, we got tornadoes out here. All over the camera. Look, little like, I don't even know.
What?
Alright, ready? I'm gonna go, and then you go.
Yeah.
Ah! Ah!
Alright, everyone, that's today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And make sure you guys go check out Mikey Mam's video.
Hey, I make vlogs and stuff, and there's a motorcycle.
He always does this to us. He always is in the background.
He's a good guy, though.
Yeah, but we make vlogs over my channel if you want to check it out. Come subscribe.
We're gonna empty out the water. It sounds awesome.
All right, ready?
Ow!
Watch out, Emma.